Hi guys, it's Riya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, we're going to talk about Marshmallow Muse from Nuana House of Luxury. Now, this fragrance is inspired by Kayali's Yum Bougie Marshmallow, which is obviously in the budget of 10,000, 12,000, and so on and so forth. But this one is available literally in the range of 299 to 1200, depending on the variant that you go for, 3 ml, 50 ml, 100 ml, so on and so forth. And it's available at nuanaluxury.com, also available at Amazon. So if you're on a budget and you want to smell expensive and sweet and feminine, then this video and this perfume is for you. Let's begin with the video. Before we do so, make sure you've subscribed to my channel, you hit the bell notification, and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So before I talk about the nitty-gritty details of the fragrance itself, I just wanted to tell you guys that Nuana is an Indian perfume house that makes clean and minimal fragrances. They are available at nuanaluxury.com. The name Nuana itself means new plus nirvana. It's derived from Sanskrit, and they are very particular about the ingredients of the fragrances. Like, they are free of phthalates, parabens, artificial dyes and colorants, and overall the quality of the juice that you're getting is quite clean, which is free of baddies, and it is skin safe. So that is something that I really appreciate with this brand. If you're on a budget, you can get it literally at 299 rupees, ranging from 299 to I think 1499, but on discount you will probably get it below 1200. So it's a good way and a good entry point for you to try perfumes that smell expensive and they smell like designer without paying the price for it. So why pay like 8,000, 9,000 for something that you can get as good as in under 1,000 rupees? So that's the whole concept. It literally gives you affordable luxury. I'm quite impressed with the variants that they have, the quality, the way they perform in Indian weather. Everything is top notch. So that's about the brand. Now let's get started with the packaging. Now the 50 ml bottle comes in this white and rose gold packaging, and all the details are mentioned in rose gold and metallic details. And on the side they have written about their brand, the one that I explained you recently. And then you have all the manufacturing and all the other details, including the pricing and all. The variant name is written here on the box, on the tape, and once you open it, then like the perfume is sitting inside. Now perfume is not directly sitting inside the cardboard box. It actually is enwrapped in this reusable cloth. Now this is a perfume pouch, and you can keep your like 50 ml bottles, or you can even keep your tester bottles, perfume bottles here. And if you are in a hurry and you want to travel with your perfume, I think carrying a perfume pouch is very essential. It kind of helps in minimizing the damage to your perfume and getting all that scratches. Plus you can like multi-purpose this, like use this for storing your sunglasses and stationery items and stuff like that. So it's quite handy. Like, the pouch is very handy and a good concept, and it's reusable. So good concept overall. This is how the bottle is. Now perfume bottle is very simple. As you see, a thick glass bottle with the details through a sticker mentioned right here, a nice textured cap with a golden rim. From behind you can see the juice, see the glass thickness here, like really thick glass, right? And then that's the atomizer. Now atomizer also sprays the product really well, as you see here. Let me just spray it here. And the quantity that you're getting with each spray, around 7 to 8 sprays, are good enough to take you through the day. Now let's talk about the scent profile on this one. This is literally juicy strawberries meeting fluffy marshmallow cloud with some vanilla ice cream and sprinkled sugar on the top. This is a ooey gooey, sweet, musky, powdery fragrance which is very feminine, very soft, kind of has a very pink vibe to it, and has a very soft energy, but kind of like a main character energy as well. It literally gives me a mental picture of picking fresh juicy strawberries, dipping them in the melted marshmallows, which is mixed with vanilla ice cream and sprinkled sugar and some colorful sprinkles on the top as well. And then you're like dipping it, and that marshmallow is like kind of melting and stretching, and then you're like taking a bite of it, and that juicy strawberry mixing up with all of this gourmand sweetness, a burst of dessert in your mouth. It literally feels that way. It's mouth watering, it's addictive. It's kind of made for girls who don't chase attention, but attracted. So let me tell you the notes breakdown on this one. It opens up with freesia, Italian lemon, nectarine blossom and apple, which gives it a fruity, slightly citrusy and bright opening. And then it has marshmallow, strawberry, coconut and orange blossom. This is where it gets the marshmallow dessert vibe, which is soft, creamy, sugary and very, very girly. And then you have base notes of whipped cream, some sugar, vanilla, musk, raspberry and ambroxan, which makes it smell like creamy vanilla with sugary skin scent that lasts forever. This fragrance is very close in the DNA with Kayali's Yum Bougie Marshmallow, and if you don't want to spend that kind of money in Kayali fragrances, get something like this. It's a clean fragrance, good ingredients and performs really well. I get a longevity of around 6 hours with around 7 to 8 sprays. Now remember, this is kind of like a soft fragrance. It creates a good scent bubble around me, but this is a soft, delicate, feminine fragrance. It's not very projective. The projection is very soft, but the longevity is around 6 hours. So on my skin, this becomes very sweet, powdery and very musky, literally like a sweet baby powder. It kind of has a very nice, innocent sort of a scent profile. You know, this fragrance is very addictive in nature and kind of has a very innocent touch to it, like how a childlike innocent, you know, like a childlike innocence, this fragrance has that. So I absolutely love how vibrant, how sweet, how powdery and how baby-like this fragrance smells like. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you like this video, hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is My Perfume Diaries, so come and find me there. Let's chat and get to know each other. And by the way, this fragrance review was one of the most requested reviews from Nuana House of Luxury. Like, so many people, so many girls, so many people out there wanted to know my opinion on this one. I hope that this video was helpful that way. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye.